So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make eggless carrot cake. Okay, it's going to be like really very yummy and moist, and the procedure is not very complicated as well. We are going to add all the dry together and mix it up, make a well, and then add in all the wet, and then we are going to beat them together until we have a beautiful batter. Finally, we have the carrots on the walnuts to add. So obviously for a carrot walnut cake, walnuts is one component that adds crunch to the cake, and then we have the carrot, and these are fresh carrot. We just remove the skin of the carrot on the outside and then use the fine holes in the grater to get the grated carrot out. And the other ingredients, which are the dry, are the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and then cinnamon. Cinnamon is one important flavor to the carrot cake. And then I have sugar also here. And for the wet, we have oil, vanilla extract, curd, and milk. So I'm just going to set this aside. So I'm going to do, it's more like a one bowl recipe. I'm just going to have the stand mixer to do the job. So now into the bowl of the stand mixer, I'm going to sift in the all-purpose flour. The baking powder, salt, baking soda, and also the cinnamon powder. So once this is done, into this I'm going to add the sugar, mix the sugar with all the dry, and into this make a well, and add the oil, vanilla, curd, and milk. I'm just going to fold this in before I'm going to let it beat in the stand mixer. Just moisten up the dry with the wet that is added. And now I'm going to add this bowl into the stand mixer and then beat on high speed for about 2 minutes before we have to add the carrot and the walnuts. I'm going to check the batter now. That's how it's going to look at this time. I'm going to add in the carrot and the walnuts and then give it one beat where we have all the carrots and the walnut incorporated well. Just going to drop in all the walnuts also. It's going to beat on medium speed until we have everything combined together. The batter is now done. Let's see how it looks. I'm just going to scrape the sides. And for the eggless cake, the oven has to be preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. I have a 9-inch round cake pan into which I'm going to pour this. And carrot cake, we are going to do it in the form of mini cakes. So once the cake has been baked, I'm going to use the circle cutters to cut them into smaller sizes, and I'm going to show you how do we assemble that in the following lesson. But right now, I'm just going to transfer the batter into the prepared pan. And tap the pan once or twice, and then this is ready to go to get baked at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the center is not wobbly and a toothpick inserted into the center that comes out clean. Let me do that and then get back to show you how the cake has been baked. The eggless carrot cake is now out of the oven. Looks super beautiful, golden top, and you can see it is quite warm, and you can see how soft it is. I'm just going to poke it in to show it is done, and then I'm just going to also flip it onto the wire rack to show you how it looks. And however, you will flip it directly onto a sheet of cling wrap and then wrap it up and keep. It is quite soft and not advisable to be flipping it without any support, or you could just break your cake. Okay, so I just wanted to show how the texture looks before it's been cling wrapped, and now I'm just going to cling wrap this and then freeze it overnight or a minimum of 4 hours when it is still really very firm, and then we'll just get back to show you how I'm going to assemble this into mini carrot cakes.